Greenhouse upgrade. Take a good look at this. This is 3 years of making it work. This cheap mini greenhouse has worked great, but as you can see, it's seen better days. The plastic cover is more whole than greenhouse at this point. I've got sticks holding up sagging tiers and enough cable ties to start a hardware store. It served its purpose. We've grown some amazing plants in here, but the wind is getting in, the heat is getting out, and my seedlings honestly deserve better. It's bittersweet to tear this down, but it's time to stop patching the holes and give my garden a proper home. Today we're ditching the flimsy plastic for a serious upgrade. The Selections Wooden Apex Growhouse. First impressions? The fir wood smells amazing, and compared to those old hollow metal tubes, this feels like actual furniture for the garden. Assembly is pretty straightforward, and the upgrade in quality is immediate. We're moving from thin plastic film to twin-wall polycarbonate panels. This is a game changer for insulation. One of the best features is this Apex roof. It has hinges so I can prop it open for ventilation on sunny days, without the whole thing catching the wind, like a sail. Unlike my old one where I had to fiddle with zippers every single morning, this has solid double front doors with actual latches. Inside, there are 3 slatted shelves, which are great for air circulation and drainage. No more stagnant puddles sitting on plastic tiers. And there it is. What a massive difference. No more cable ties, no more flapping plastic, and no more duct tape repairs. It looks 100 times better in the garden, and I'm finally confident that my plants are actually protected from the frost. The old budget greenhouse did its job for 3 years, and I can't complain for the price. But sometimes, you just have to level up. If you're tired of your plastic cover blowing away, this might be the sign you needed to go timber. Thanks for watching my little garden upgrade. If you want to see how the plants get on in their new home, make sure to follow along. Happy growing!